Hey friends, it's Big Bad Jones here. Just thought I'd show you this just kind of a quick video of my AK build. This is not the most beautiful AK you've ever seen. Kind of a battlefield pickup. First time I ever built an AK, so I learned a lot. This is a pretty neat kit. Pretty neat little AK. I really like it. I'm probably gonna get rid of some of my other ones, but I really like this AK. This is a Recreator blank. I kind of blued it and scratched it up to make it match the condition of the rest of the kit. Kind of wore down the barrel a little bit. I'm not sure what kind of sling this is. This might be a Hungarian sling, maybe a Romanian, I'm not real sure. I don't know enough about them to know which one is which. But this is a really interesting rifle. I had Recreators match the serial number for me. They put RD, see if I can get this to focus here, ED 2361. Got almost everything on this kit except for the dust cover matches, and it's been etched on the top. See that ED 2361, that wasn't the original serial number on the dust cover. There's the original serial number. Let's pop that dust cover off. Kind of disassemble it here. It's stamped ED 2361 on the recoil spring assembly. Take that off of here and pop the bolt out of here. Bolt carrier 2361, and the bolts is the same matching number there. ED. Focus on that, ED 2361. You can see that or not, but it matches. Even the selector lever down in here, 2361. Get this gas tube off. Gas tube is matching, ED 2361. Very, very interesting kit. This is a RAK, Century Arms RAK trigger I put in it. Here's the serial number on the trunnion, 1972 ED 2361. So this is basically a matching number AK, which I thought was really neat, especially for it being in the condition that it's in. It's just a good, well, it's got some trench art there on the butt stock. Has this is original cleaning rod, I guess. It's not numbered, but it's all wore, and I guess I don't know if they chrome line their cleaning rods or whatever, or if that's just polished, I'm not sure. But butt plate, it's all got some wear on it for sure. They have a cleaning kit in here. If I can get it out. This one's not a war cleaning kit, it's just a cleaning kit there, put in it. But, not the prettiest rivet job. There's the first rear trunnion rivet I did, and I got a little bit happy with my air hammer. This back one turned out a little bit better. My tools aren't the highest quality. They're kind of homemade. I'll show you what I use here in a minute. There's my front. I just used some of the Toth Tool bolt cutter. Actually, I made some myself, and kind of had to redo them a little bit. I probably put the hole a little bit different on them. They kind of mar up the rivets, but all the rivets are seated good and in good shape, and maybe not pretty, but they should do the job. This ain't a pretty AK to start with, so I ain't too worried about that. But this is basically the tools I use. I don't have all of them here in front of me, but I use this air hammer, and this is a brake pad. I use that for a bucking bar, and these are kind of dimpled, if you can see that or not. I use this to get down in around the trigger guard rivets, and just use that as a bucking bar on the just kind of putting that on the brake pads and getting down inside of there to rivet them down. I think it did a pretty good job. So maybe not conventional way of building an AK, but I figured why spend $500 on tools when they're over there in Afghanistan and Pakistan or whatever making these things with rocks and hand drills and whatever else. And I will probably work over some of these tools, make them fit the rivet heads a little better. This one just kind of experimenting with it and playing with it, and probably make a better bucking bar eventually, but that was what I had and it was cheap. And anyways, thanks for watching. I'll try to get some shooting videos up of this thing sometime soon. Checked headspace on it. I got some headspace gauges. It seems like it's headspace pretty good. So I did use a Harbor Freight press as well. You can get those, had a coupon, get those for $99. And I've had one of those for a while. But get all this put back together. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like this build. I'll probably try to build some more. If I ever get the funds together to get some more parts. But this is a lot of fun to build them. Kind of just a little project to work with. See if I can reassemble this AK one-handed. Maybe I can. So, thanks for watching. Just a Romanian parts kit. It's not anything fancy, but I like the way it turned out. Y'all have a good day.